So this is a Subaru Forester 2011. Recently I have a problem that this key can only stay at 1. I cannot turn to 0 position. The reason is this parking shift. When it goes to park, there's a touch sensor somewhere inside that shows it's parked. Somehow this is not working correctly. So instead of replacing this gear shifter mechanism, I was told that I could unhook one of the wire here and bypass this locking. So it's actually it's not this wire. This wire actually controls the light for this key. It's actually another smaller switch. It's right here. Okay, if I open my door with my key inside, you will see this beep. But if I unplug it, I need to press this clip to pull it. Once it's unplugged, this sensor is gone. But meanwhile, it bypassed this sensor, so I can actually turn off the key. So hope this helped.